In this video, I will be teaching you on how to connect your Discord to Patreon. So first, you need to access your Patreon account via their website, and after that, you will be clicking on the settings. After you click settings, there are a few options that you may consider, which is the basics, account, email notifications, and active memberships. But you will be needing to click the more button or section, and then after that, there are drop down menu that will pop up, which is includes the history, payment methods, as well as the connected apps. You will just going to click the connected apps, and after clicking it, there are Discord under the third party apps. As you can see, Discord is present under the third party apps. So you just have to click the connect button beside it, and after that, you will redirect to this page, and then we'll ask you if do you want to connect or let Patreon access your Discord account. And since we will going to connect our Discord to the Patreon, we will going to click the authorize button under, and then for you to able to check if your Discord is already connected, you just have to go again to your Patreon account, and under the connected apps and the third party applications, under the Discord, you'll be seeing the disconnect button. It means that you already connected successfully your Discord to your Patreon account. So, if you learned something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or feedback, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.